Aman was a very quiet boy. He never tried to stand out. He never spoke much. In school, teachers barely noticed him, and classmates often called him average. He always sat on the last bench, silently listening, silently dreaming. His family was struggling financially. His father worked a small job, and his mother cleaned houses to support the family. Money was always short, but worries were always plenty. Late at night, when everyone slept, Aman often asked himself one painful question: will I ever become something in life? People in his village didn't believe in him. They said things like, he has no talent. Some people are just born unlucky. This boy will never succeed. Aman heard everything. He never replied. But deep inside, a small voice kept whispering, if I give up now, my story will end here. Aman started studying seriously. He studied late at night, sometimes under a dim light, sometimes with no electricity at all. He had no smartphone, no internet, no shortcuts. Many nights he felt tired. Many times he felt like quitting. Then exams came and Aman failed. For the world, it was proof. For the people, it was entertainment. See, we told you so. That night, Aman broke down. He cried quietly, feeling weak, feeling useless. But in the middle of that pain, he asked himself something important. Does one failure decide my entire life? That question changed everything. From that day, Aman stopped seeing studies as pressure. He started seeing it as responsibility. He failed again. He struggled again. But this time, he didn't stop. Slowly, his marks improved. Slowly, his confidence returned. People began to say, maybe he has some potential. But Aman knew the truth. This was only the beginning. He dared to dream bigger. He decided to move to the city and build a better future. The city was not kind. A small room, little money, huge competition. No one cared about his past. No one waited for him to succeed. There were days when he felt completely alone. Days when he missed home. Days when failure felt closer than success. But this time, Aman had something powerful: belief in himself. He reminded himself every day, pain is temporary, giving up is permanent. Years passed, quietly, slowly, painfully. Then one day, Aman achieved what no one expected. The same boy once called average became an inspiration. People who laughed at him now shared his story. People who doubted him now respected him. When Aman returned to his village, he said just one line: time takes time, but time always changes. Every person has hidden strength. People won't believe in you until you believe in yourself. Failure is not the end. Giving up is if you're struggling today. Remember this: